Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix battery drain issues on your LG G6. The first thing you should try is to go into settings. Here in general, scroll down to battery and power saving and check battery usage. It could be that you have some sort of an app running in the background using a lot of power, which you could try turning off, which might save you some precious battery time. If that doesn't work, you can of course also look at battery saver and try just keeping it on, which will of course help you out with battery time too. You could try looking at battery saver to automatically turn on at either 5%, 15%, or to just keep it turned on by your own. If you keep it on immediately, this will mean that whenever you have it turned on, it will be always turned on. You can also make it block use of always on display, which will of course turn off always on display whenever battery saver is turned on. Another thing you could look at is of course turning off battery always on display, which is under display. Here you can scroll down to always on display and make sure it's turned off, as it could be using quite a lot of power. You could also try turning off screen timeout or turning it down, as well as decreasing brightness or turning on auto brightness if you wanted to do so automatically. So as you can see, it may also end up turning your brightness up when you don't necessarily need it. Another thing you could look at is of course disabling Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, location services, mobile data, and other options here whenever you aren't using them. You could also try looking under general. Here scroll down to about phone, update center, and then software update, and then check now for update to possibly check if there aren't any new updates that could potentially solve the issue. But it is highly unlikely that there would be any updates or that your device wouldn't have them installed, as the last update has already been rolled out for this phone and the support has been taken back in about 2020. Another thing you could also try looking at would be simply checking if your battery's lifespan hasn't been shortened too much. You can do so with any sort of a battery app on the Play Store, which you can find in Play Store. Just search up battery and install the app of your choosing, for example AccuBattery, and then just install it and follow the directions inside of it, and where it will check your battery's remaining lifespan during charging, to possibly check if possibly it's just a problem with your battery having deteriorated too much to hold charge for long. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.